Okay children, next problem చూడండి. Page number 108, seventh problem. One of the exterior angles of a triangle is 125 degrees. The exterior angle is equal to 125 degrees అన్నమాట. Which one? Seventh one. Exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal to 125 degrees. Okay. And the interior opposite angles are in the ratio of interior angles is equal to 2:3. Find the angles of the triangle. Angles ante మనం find out చేయాలి. See children, some of the ratios of terms is equal to 2 plus 3. ఈ టర్మ్స్ ఈ రేషియో ఏం చేయాలి? సమ్ చేయాలి. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So exterior angle is equal to 125 కదా. So sum of the two ratios of interior angles is equal to exterior angle. మనకి exterior angle ప్రాపర్టీ ఏంటి? మనకి ఈ exterior angle ప్రాపర్టీ ఏంటి? Sum of these two interior angles equal to exterior angle కదా. సో ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే రూల్ ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం. దట్ మీన్స్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ టూ యాంగిల్స్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 125 డిగ్రీస్ అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఈ టూ యాంగిల్స్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి కదా. ఫస్ట్ యాంగిల్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ రేషియో? 2 by total 5 into 125. Okay, now see, multiply this 2 into 125 by divided by 5. Cut with 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25. Now 2 into 25, how much? 50 degrees. First angle 50 degrees. Now second angle is, what is the second ratio? 3 by 5 into 125. That is equal 3 into 125. 5 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి? ఆన్సర్ 25 కదా. అంటే 5 ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ పోతుంది? 5 ones are 5, 5 25s are 125 పోతుంది కాబట్టి 3 into 25. 3 25s are 75 degrees. First angle 50 degrees, second angle 75 degrees. Therefore the angle is equal to one 50 degrees and second one 75 degrees. Okay, note down. Next, eighth one. See, the exterior triangle PRS of the exterior triangle PRS in triangle PQR is 105 degrees అన్నమాట. ఓకే, ఎంత ఇచ్చారు అక్కడ? యాంగిల్ 105 degrees ఇచ్చారు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ వన్, దిస్ PQRS. Okay, see here triangle PRS, this angle is equal to 105 degrees. Okay, now if angle Q is equal to 70 degrees, find angle P. Angle P ఎంతో మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, angle P ఎంత ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అండ్ angle PRS is greater than angle P నా కరెక్టా కదా మనం చెక్ చేయాలన్నమాట. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సే triangle P plus triangle Q is equal to triangle PRS. Triangle P plus triangle Q is equal to triangle PRS. Okay, sum of these two angles, interior of these two angles equal to this exterior angle kada. That means angle P plus angle Q is equal to angle PRS. Okay, now angle P we don't know. Angle P is equal, angle P plus angle Q అంటే 70 degrees is equal angle PRS 105 degrees. This is 105 degrees. Okay, 105 degrees. Now angle P is equal 105 minus 70. 105 minus 70. So how much value? 35. Angle P is equal to 35 degrees. Angle P is equal to 35 degrees. What is the rule in the given question? Question lo em icharu manaki triangle PRS is greater than triangle P. Correct kada? Triangle PRS value 105 degrees and triangle P value enta only 35. So 105 is greater than 30 degrees. Okay children, note down. Triangle PRS value 105 degrees. Okay, so this is 105 degrees is greater than triangle P and 35 degrees. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, note down the two problems. Problem. See next one, ninth one. If an exterior angle of a triangle is 130 degrees, exterior angle inta 130 degrees. Okay, right. See ninth one. Exterior angle. Exterior angle is equal 130 degrees. Okay. One of the interior opposite angle is 60 degrees and find the other opposite angles. So manku what is the opposite angles rule? Interior opposite angles. Meeku already nenu cheppanu. Sum of these two interior angles is equal to this exterior angle. This exterior angle is equal to sum of these two interior angles. So అదే రూల్ మనకి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో ఈ ఎక్స్టీరియర్ యాంగిల్ ఇచ్చారు అండ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్, ఒక ఇంటీరియర్ యాంగిల్ ఎంత 60 డిగ్రీస్ అన్నమాట. వన్ ఇంటీరియర్ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్, ఇంటీరియర్ ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్ is equal to 30 degrees. Find other opposite angle. So other interior opposite angle is equal to another interior opposite angle. Angle is equal to x degrees. Okay. Can say right here. Let another interior opposite angle is equal to x degrees. Now what is the rule? Sum of these two interior angles is equal to this one. Now say x degrees plus what is that one interior opposite angle? 60 degrees, not 30 degrees. This is 60 degrees. X plus 60 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. Okay, you understand? Sum of these two interior angles is equal to exterior angle. That means x plus 60 degrees is equal to 130 degrees. Now x degrees is equal to 130 degrees minus 60 degrees. You plus 60 taken aside, minus 60 already. Now x is equal 130 minus 60, 70 degrees. Okay. Now another interior opposite angle is equal to 70 degrees. Okay children, you understand? Note down. Next problem, 10th one. The exterior angle is equal to 105 degrees. First find the sum of the ratio. See children, 10th one. One of the exterior angle is 105 degrees and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:5. Find the angles of the triangle. First ratio of opposite angles. Ratio of interior opposite angles. Ratio of interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles is equal to, what is that ratio? 2:5. 2:5. Okay, exterior angle is equal to, exterior angle is equal to 105 degrees. Exterior angle is equal to 105 degrees. Okay, sum of the ratio is equal to 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Okay, now first angle, two angles we find out cheyala. First angle is equal, what is the first ratio? 2 by total sum of the ratio is 7 into 105. Okay, because sum of these two angles equal to exterior angle kada, దీనికి ఈక్వల్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. Okay, see 7 how many times going in 105? 8 times పోతుంది, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 3 ఉంటుంది 35, 7 5s are 35, 15 7s are 105 కదా. సో 7 టేబుల్ తో కట్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. ఓకే, 7 టేబుల్ తో కట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో నౌ రిమైనింగ్ 2 into 15 degrees, that means 30 degrees. 2 into 15 equal 30 degrees. Now second angle, that is equal second ratio 5 by total ratio 7 into 105 degrees. Here also same, 7 ones are 7, 7 15s are. Now 15 5s are 75 degrees. Okay children, so two angles వచ్చాయి. So find the three angles in the triangle. Triangle లో 3 angles కదా మనకు ఉండేది, 2 angles వచ్చాయి కాబట్టి థర్డ్ యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అవుతుంది. ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్స్, యాంగిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాపర్టీ 180 degrees కదా. Now sum of angles of property, angles of property is equal to sum of three angles. So first angle 30 degrees plus 75 degrees plus third angle తెలియదు కాబట్టి third angle is equal to total 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Okay, now therefore third angle is equal 180 degrees minus and this 105. So subtract minus 105. That is equal, third angle is equal to 75 degrees. Third angle is equal to 75 degrees. Sum of these three angles is equal to 180 రావాలి. 75 75 150 150 plus 30 180. Okay children, note down. What is the last one? In the figure, find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. 11th one. A, B, C, D. Here 30 degrees, 50 degrees, y, x degrees, 55 degrees. Okay children, now see in this triangle these two are interior angles, this is exterior angle. Okay, now y degrees is equal sum of these two interior angles, 50 degrees plus 30 degrees. This is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property. Good children. Now y is equal 50 plus 30 80 degrees. Okay. Now y value came. Next find x value. This is exterior angle. These two are opposite interior angles. Okay. Now x degrees is equal y degrees plus 55 degrees. Okay. Now y value 80 degrees. 80 degrees plus 55 degrees, that is equal 135 degrees. Okay, x is equal to 135. Therefore x degree is equal to 135, y degree is equal to 80. Okay, these two are exterior angle property. దీనికి exterior angle property యూజ్ చేసాము, దీనికి కూడా exterior angle property యూజ్ చేసాము. What is the exterior angle property? This exterior angle is equal to opposite to the sum of two interior angles. దీనికి ఆపోజిట్ లో ఉండే two interior angles ని యాడ్ చేస్తే ఆ యాంగిల్ అనేది exterior angle కి ఈక్వల్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay children, now this chapter is completed. Okay, this exercise all problems solved children. This chapter totally completed. Write neat handwriting in class work. Okay, note down. Thank you.